Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, we're gonna take a look inside this small little shop here, Just Trains of Delaware. Let's take a look. Here you go, in case you want to call them and ask them a question about something. We got some nice SD70s.
Yes, hi, Anthony. Yes, hi. This is Peter with Just Trains. I just wanted to let you know I have your engine repair back. All right.
Take a look around. Not a bad.
What was it, Chris? $50.95. All righty.
Old airplane pedal bike.
With a double acrylic.
5:30.
And then we're going to replace this hatch.
Over here an in scale.
Better version. And we're going to use the deluxe hatch. And 6 triple twin glass. It is going to be a great day.
Have a day all.
Used Cato track. Bachman track.
You don't have this kind of line-out bulb. It's a longer than the one. The one you gave me has a shorter length to the base. Yeah.
Some old Lionel.
8352-9.
Used. Some brand new.
It's too small. See, they're short.
Oh, you need to. Why would they do that?
That makes a difference, trust me.
Yeah.
They don't work. Those don't work for those.
You want to build a model of the USS Enterprise.
No, you didn't get these off me. You got them off somebody, but not me. This is the style I have.
No, I got these off you.
No, I don't have any of the long tube ones.
Okay.
These are the standard 8352. Yeah, I got those.
Okay.
Dick needs some.
Not bad for a small shop. It's got a lot of stuff.
I'll get you those. I've got them.
Can you get me these?
Fast track.
Yeah, what's his name? Just jack the price up on bolts too.
Whatever. I sell them for whatever they can be sold for.
I know.
What do you want, that stuff?
Yeah.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Good.
No, now we're getting a little serious back here.
All right, so
Get ready for fire. I've got those 2 pieces to do, which I'll get done this week. I also got a.
you want that for the show?
No, sure, parts.
The trucks.
Some good HO rolling stock for $6 if you can find something you like here.
How about Edison? Did the snow bother you?
CSX Coastliner set.
Sunday the storm was over, so everybody should have been,
Sunday, it was
Like this train set here. This is nice.
about 1:30. It's changed to snow about 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
But they stayed in there crowded until about 1:30 and then it kind of.
Good O-scale buildings.
Yeah, we had transfer side.
Head back here to some Lionel trains.
Yeah, it was kind of rough outside. Didn't need to, but the car wants to lift it.
Tell you from the outside, it didn't look that big till you got in here, but it goes pretty deep. Oh, I've been looking for one of these.
Oh, I bet. Weather doesn't hard stop these
It's
people.
only $2.99. I might buy that. Oh, nice New York Central. Get some old Lionel trains here. These are like steel. Very good selection here.
double-door bays, and then a very small room on the side for the firefighters. And then that was it. They'll have no.
Oh, I like this Lino Legacy. Lino Legacy, sorry. An 080.
You would think they make money on it, but I think they used to have a hot road.
Oh, I can't see the price of that Pennsylvania.
Right up there where Price's Corner, where Sears and
Like the old steam engines.
yeah. They used to have a gun train show in there.
Oh,
And then they canceled it.
cool Shay here.
So, well, nobody wanted to mess with it. But geez, homie, that's where you make your money. I mean, you open the doors and people come in to sell tables and. I know. But yet they want all their vehicles gold leaf painted and everything, you know, they want.
Another Lionel Legacy.
And that's fine.
All right, Gary, I'm gonna give you some money. I don't know what I sold years ago, what the name of that stuff, yeah, but I'm just gonna give you a tip.
Oh, get me one too, while you're at it.
I'm not giving Ed one to.
Oh, fine. One way.
Great engines here.
Tomorrow, and then there's a show over in Jersey in Brooklawn at a American Legion. It's a small show, but
U.S. Army.
I've always gone there and there's been no empty tables. They've always had a fine turnout, so. Kutztown, no, I don't think so. It's a good show.
Oh, I like the colors on that Canadian Pacific.
Coming up the first Saturday in April.
If you're recommending, it must be a junk show.
First Saturday in April, I'm going to the show down in Delaware at the,
Oh, that's hardly this weekend.
partly this weekend, and next, 2 weekends is, the show down at the Nerd Temple.
Got some old buildings already put together here. Some kits. Some O-scale 40-foot containers. Some 48 containers.
Neurological disease a few years ago, and it affects my hand and coordination. I can go for a little while, then I get to shaking too much. But just hand yourself, all over the place.
He was a patriot. After high school, he put college on hold and became a Navy fighter pilot.
Heading out of here. Oh, got a great deal on that SD70 George Bush. I'm gonna be happy with that. And I think that's gonna do it from this great train store here. I forgot, what was it going? Just Trains of Delaware. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.